Hey guys, what's going on? Alright, welcome back. So I'm just tidying up a little bit here in the garage. I just got some used oil here that I'm going to dump out. There's a reason for that because we actually are going to do an oil change on the parts bike behind me here. But I only have one oil drain pan, so I got to drain this out first. Yeah, so I got to show you something. Like, this happens every year, I'm not quite sure why. But let me get the oil drained out of this. And you'll see what I mean. Obviously, when you do this, just put a cloth down on the ground because it can be messy. This is probably the oil out of my FZ6R from last season, I believe. Alright, almost empty here. I'm not sure if you can quite see it yet on film, but let me bring it a little closer for you. This happens every year. One of my cats kind of ran in the house one day and he had like oil all over his paws and stuff. And I'm like, what is the cat doing? Let's see if you can see that. Can you see that? This is a dead mouse inside my oil pan. This is the second consecutive year I've had this happen. My cat chases them around, and for whatever reason, they always run into the oil pan. So yeah, perfectly preserved mouse in some used motor oil. Happens every year, guys. Like, perfect mouse trap. Just put one of these down. I don't know if they try to drink it or what happens, but guaranteed you'll get one every year.